With the elections only a couple of months away, if you're considering buying or selling a home, you may be wondering what, if any, impact does the election have on the housing market? What's up, guys? Corey Wyatt here, the Coastal Agent. You know, it's natural to have this kind of concern. It's a large decision that you'd be making. So I wanted to get into some of the specifics on the housing market with home sales, prices, and mortgage rates. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's jump in. Okay, starting with home sales. Traditionally, we do see a small dip in the election years coming into November and December. Now, also think that seasonally, that is the fall, and typically we are seeing a slowdown there. But we do see a little bit more of a slowdown during these election periods. It is temporary though, and 9 out of the last 11 elections, the spring market following the election period were above average on the amount of home sales. So we do see like a spike in demand just because we see a little bit of the hold off on the buyers there. You know, I think part of it is because buyers are concerned to make such a large decision during this pivotal time period where there's going to be a new leader coming into the market. So they don't want to necessarily make that big decision. Now, on a home sales price, just because demand does waver off a little bit, we're not, especially in this market, we're not going to potentially see those multiple offer environments. So we may not see those homes that are selling for, $100,000 or $200,000 over the list price, just because we're not going to see as many buyers coming to the table to make offers. Now, typically, again, we're going to see a pent-up demand that's going to hit that spring market. So if you are a buyer, potentially you may want to look at making that move and pulling the trigger during the election period because you're going to be faced with less demand from other buyers coming in. Now, one thing that does go down typically is interest rates coming into that election. We're already starting to see it right now where rates are starting to come down. We'll probably see more of that coming into the fall, late summer, fall period. So rates do typically or historically come down during those election years, and we're already seeing it now. Now, a lot of this demand in home sales and prices are going to be very specific to the amount of buyers that are in the pool for that specific market if you're considering selling, and then also what kind of competition you have. So what does the inventory levels look like in that area? So if you want more information about any of this for your specific situation, I'm always here. Reach out to me, 619-200-3236, or on the web at sdcoastalagent.com. And as always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make it a great day.